Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Android. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I'm going to be showing you the easiest one right here, which we are going to use Google Drive. Okay, and just make sure that if you log into your iPhone's Google Drive, the Google account will be logged into the Android's Google Drive as well. Okay, basically the same account. So just go ahead and open up your App Store and Play Store, download Google Drive, and just wait for it to fully download. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up and just log in with your Google account. Okay, so once you're in here, basically tap on the plus sign right here at the bottom right. Now go ahead and tap on Upload File. Or you could go ahead and create a new folder first. Okay, create folder right here and give it a name. Okay. For example, from iPhone, just for example, create. Now open up the folder, tap on a plus sign, upload a document or a file, photos and videos right here, allow full access. Let's say I'm just going to send these 3 photos right here. So just wait for the upload process to finish. Depending on the size of your uploads, of course, it will take some time. Now, once the upload is done, go ahead and open up your Google Drive, okay, on your Android device, and you should be able to see the same exact folder. But as you can see here, it's the different Google account, okay? So just log into the same Google account. For example, you have a different Google account right here and different Google account here as well. So what we're going to do to share it, okay, just tap on 3 dots right here at the top right on your iPhone. Now tap on Manage Access first, okay? And here, make sure that general access is set to anyone with link. All right. So you can now go ahead and copy the link and send this one to whoever you want. For example, I'm just going to send it to myself. Okay. This is my wife's phone right here. So I'm just going to send it just like so. Now I'm going to open up my Messenger right here under my Android. Right here, as you can see, I'm going to tap on from iPhone, and here we have the photos. We can just go ahead and tap on it and then download it, and it'll be downloaded straight up to our gallery. Okay, continue right here. There you go. Open it up if you want to, and you're good to go. And that is how you transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Android. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.